Hi everyone, Jason Giannone, Product Development Manager here at Bender. Excited to bring you some new information about our new Century HVAC line. There's three things that really stood out when we brought this line on. It was exceptional value, a great warranty, and top quality. And with Century, we're getting all three of those things. In addition to that, you're talking about a cost-effective unit that can compete with other brands in the marketplace. So Century is manufactured by a top manufacturer who's making equipment for other brands that you are already aware of. So really excited about this. Talk about options with our furnaces, 80%, 92, 96, 97, variable speed. On the condensing side, you got 13 SEER, 16 SEER. There's heat pumps, hydro air handlers. 12-year warranty across the board with Century is unparalleled in the industry. So very excited about this. Also, we've got a nice Elite Pro dealer program to help you earn some incentives as you purchase equipment. If you have any questions for this stuff, please feel free, give me a call your account manager. We're very excited to bring you this line. We're going to be doing some trainings over the next few weeks as well, so please talk to your account manager about that. Thanks for watching.